In this video, I will show you how to deposit a check on Cash App. If you want to deposit that physical check while you're on the go, luckily depositing paper checks into Cash App is a simple and easy process. This is how you can do that with the Cash App mobile app. First and foremost, go ahead and open Cash App on your device. Ensure that your check meet all the requirements. So before you can deposit the check with Cash App, a few requirements must be met. The check is made out to you, the same person that's on the Cash App account, or jointly with an approved person. The check is payable in US dollars and so much more that you can actually find this list. After that, go ahead and open Cash App icon feature with a white dollar sign. Tap the bank icon. It's the icon that looks like a building with pillars outside. Tap the checks option that will allow you to scan paper checks into your account using your phone. Enter the check amount using the keypad on the screen and enter the amount that the check is in. Confirm your check, confirm the front of the check and tap confirm fund of the check. To confirm it, click on that button. You'll also need to confirm the back of your check by clicking on that confirm back of check. And after you've done this, go ahead and tap and take a photo next to the front. So take a photo of the check. Click on that take a photo again to take a photo of the back of the check. Now after you have took a photo of that, hit on the submit button and you'll see how much this check is worth displayed here, as well as some disclaimer that your money won't be available until it deposits, which usually takes 3 to 4 business days. And that is how you can simply deposit a check on Cash App. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.